Yes sir, rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2016 Toyota Camry. Gonna be doing front brake pads, rotors, and oil change. But I'll list the oil change, a link in the description for the oil change, because I already did one for this vehicle. It's pretty much the same procedure, so y'all can click that link. Let's get it. Always check this is a quick brake inspection. If it's low, then your brake pads are low. I try to tell that to everybody. Do not refill this, never. After the job, you'll see how the level goes up. All right, we got this top bolt here and the bottom. Go ahead and get the caliper off. All right, our pads. Alright, so I left that top one in. It was pretty tight. Didn't feel like messing with it, so I'm gonna pull it out like this. Alright, C-clamp. Here's your pad. We got these bolts back here. These two holding the bracket. Caliper bracket, 17 mil. Get this off, get the rotor off. We're gonna have to hit it, tap it, because it's pretty much seized to it. Alright, tap that. Rotor off. Got our brand new rotors. Part number. Make sure you spray it down. Brake cleaner, get that film off. Alright, get that old hardware off. New one. Alright, we got our brake pads. Go ahead and add that to the back of it. They also give you these right here. That's the hardware that lets you know when your brake pads go low. That starts to touch the rotor and squeal. So we're gonna put that on all of them. That's the part number for these pads here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put these back on here since they didn't come with the new ones. Alright, go ahead and get your guide pins out and lubricate those. This one right here as well. Make sure them clips are under and they're not sticking out here. It won't be able to detect anything, any low pads, because the tip will be sticking up out here and not inside. I just saw that, so I just wanted to point that out. I had it sticking out. This is what I'm using. Caliper slides, contact points. If you don't lubricate these can get stuck and make your piston lock up or your caliper lock up. And that's the passenger side. I want to see what this brake level looking like real quick. Still low. We went up some, but it's still below the max. So the rear is recommended. All right, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.